Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to work for Temu from home in less than 2 minutes. Ready? Let's go. First, open your web browser and head to the Temu website at temu.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the careers link. On the careers page, you can find a list of available positions. Filter the jobs to show remote or work from home options by using the search or filter tools. Then browse through the job descriptions to find a role that matches your skills and interests. For example, Temu offers roles in customer service, marketing, and even tech positions, all of which can be done remotely. Once you've found a position that you like, click it and read on more details. If it's a good fit, click on the Apply Now button and start your application. And that's it. You can now work for Temu from the comfort of your home. Make sure your resume is up to date and tailored to a position that you're applying for. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more career tips, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. Good luck with your job search, and I'll see you in the next video.